1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Color on this car, it appears that it may be black in the video, but it is actually a deep, dark cherry metallic. Black cherry metallic, dark cherry metallic. Cool looking color on this car. 500 V8 power underneath the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front chrome, grille, and of course that iconic Cadillac hood ornament. There you get a good idea of the color of it. Alright, still pictures. You'll be able to see it with the top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheels with Cadillac wheel covers. Wide white wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. See, these panels are nice and straight. Has a white vinyl top. It is a power top. It needs a little bit of help going up. Going down it was fine. The power top switch has been relocated to the glove box, just so you're aware of that also. You can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's one small one I noticed back here, right below the Eldo emblem. It does have the hard parade boot or convertible top cover, whichever you prefer. White vinyl interior, split vent seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Technician did note the passenger side window also needs a little bit of assistance. It will go up and down, and I'm going to show you it with the top up. I'll show you with the windows up. And you'll see that in the still pictures too, UniqueClassicCars.com. Chrome in the rear bumper. Brakes are 75% in the front, 50% in the rear. Technician did note has the typical powertrain seat. No moisture, nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. Heater core was bypassed. And driver's door panel a little bit loose. If you like these Eldorados, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. And there's a good look at the driver's side again. Free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Power seats both sides. I did not really have any luck with those working. Of course, power windows, power locks, tilt column. Seats appear to be free of rips, tears, holes. Let's fire it up. .500 fires right off. All right, see a light right there? It's a generator light till the idle comes up. And it was a fasten seatbelt light. We have kind of retro sound style radio. Again, power antenna working there. Radio working. They have to get it on a station that has reception though. Let's try. Okay, power's up. Lack of sound. Check out the rest of the dash. Gas gauge appears to be working. Dash looks good. Does have an aftermarket steering wheel, if you noticed. Pretty quiet for 500. Smooth running. All right, let me get this hood open. We're going to check out that engine bay. and then I'll get the top up. We'll check that out. Like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. All right, there's the underside of the hood and engine bay. Again, that 500 cubic inch V8 power. HEI ignition, as you can see, power steering, power brakes. Looks like a newer master cylinder. And AC with AC blown cold. AC has also been converted to the 134A. All right, and I played around with that radio in another station just to let you know that radio does have volume to it. So radio does work. Just had to get it on the right station, turn it up a little bit. All right, let's get this convertible top up, check out the condition of that, and we'll wrap up this walk around video. All right, got the top up. Got it latched up above the windshield here, so you can see a nice tight fit. White vinyl. Looks like it is a newer top. Side windows also rolled up, so you can see how those fit. Glass rear window. Electric defog. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. And around to the passenger side. Side glass also rolled up. No rips, tears, holes on this side. There you go. 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those still pics are. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. This is a convertible, and we have the top down today. Nice aftermarket looking steering wheel with some finger grooves on the wooden grip. A smooth roding Cadillac, as most of them are, and easy to drive. Great power steering. Our turn signal indicator's working. It is an automatic on the column. Now the fuel gauge is showing about 1/8 of a tank. The rest of it is warning lights. The speedometer appears to be accurate. We're doing about 50 miles an hour. The blower motor works on this car. The steering wheel is canted to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. See a couple cracks in the dash. Other than that, really quite nice condition. A split bench front seat in a cream color, going well with that exterior, which is not black. It is a dark color. I'll let you pick what color that is. Very nice ride. Also, what you usually expect from the Cadillacs, luxurious ride. Brakes nice and smooth, brakes straight. That prominent Cadillac hood ornament out front. Luxurious in the corners and easy to drive. The kickdown is working on the automatic transmission. Very fun, very big car. Take all your friends with you on a nice long road trip. In this 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.